Hey friends, if you encounter the error, this app does not support the contract specified or is not installed, then please watch this video. Now, the problem can be app specific, but we will try troubleshooting with an SFC scan. We'll start with an SFC scan. Why? Because apps will pick up the DLL files from the system itself, and if any one of them are corrupt, then we will encounter such issues. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, select check for updates. The last solution is to reinstall the problematic app. And how would you do that? So let us say that the app is ShareX. I'll search for it. I'll click on uninstall and uninstall the app. Now I'll wait till it is uninstalled because it says that it is being uninstalled. And once it is uninstalled, I'll open the Microsoft Store. I'll search for the app. If it is on the Microsoft Store, a few apps like Chrome will never be on the Microsoft Store. And then I'll open it and I'll wait for the install option to appear and I will reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.